Mute now. So take your EVS workbook. Take your EVS workbook. Page number 20. Page number 20. The first one. So what is the lesson? Lesson number 5. We are going to, already we have learned everything in our air we breathe. So we are going to do our exercise based on that. So what they asked, draw a chart to show different components of air. So we know that one. What are the components of air? Oxygen, nitrogen, then carbon dioxide, water vapor, dust particles, isn't it? So that part only that we are going to write in that one. Then they asked to write the names of gases, their amount in percentage and uses. So what they are, the first one. So air is made up of 21% of oxygen. Yes. So air is made up of 21% of oxygen. Then nitrogen is the most abundant gas. Do you know that one? So what is the percentage of nitrogen in air? So in air, 78%. That means 78 parts of out of every 100 parts of air or nitrogen only. That is the abundant gas. So that also you have to write there. So remaining in the sense 1% of what? Carbon dioxide. So that also you have to mention because they asked names of gases, their amount in percentage. You have to mention that one. So I'll come to the second one. Choose the correct option from the bracket and fill in the blanks. So what the first one they given, they dash is the most abundant gas in air. So already I said that one. So oxygen is 21%, carbon dioxide is 1%, then nitrogen is 78. That is much more in air, isn't it? So they are asking that dash is the most abundant gas in air. So what is that? We know that nitrogen, isn't it? Okay, shall I ask that one? Okay, Sabarish. Sabarish.
Yes, ma'am.
Sabarish, can you tell me what is the percentage of carbon dioxide in air?
1% of carbon dioxide, ma'am.
Okay, what about the nitrogen?
78%, ma'am.
What about oxygen?
21% of oxygen,
So
ma'am.
which one is the most? Okay. So nitrogen is the most dash gas.
Abundant.
Abundant.
What?
Okay, that is more in
Okay, that is more in
page 20. Okay, ma. Can you mute
20.
now?
Okay, ma. Can you mute now?
B1. Air as dash percentage of oxygen present in it. So they've given 21 as well as 20. So we know that one, that is a 21%. Which one we need more, isn't it? All living things we need oxygen to breathe. C1, dash is the life-giving gas present in air. Life-giving gas means we know that when we need to breathe, then only we can live. So all living things need oxygen. So within bracket they've given oxygen and nitrogen. So oxygen is the most important one, which one we need to live. So one. D1, rated drinks contain dash in it. So fizzy drinks, what they used to contain, which is the bubble one, carbon dioxide. As soon as you open the lid, carbon dioxide, we can see the bubbles which one is come out from the bottle. So that is based on the carbon dioxide, carbonated water. Carbon dioxide only. E1, we breathe in dash and we breathe out dash. So we inhale oxygen, exhale carbon dioxide. Inhale means breathe in. What is that? Oxygen. Exhale carbon dioxide. So the next one is, so page number 21, Roman number 3, write the properties of air that the given experiment suggests.
Page number 20, ma'am.
Page number 20, do you want to see that?
Yes, ma'am. Ma'am?
Yes, ma'am. Yes. Okay. Are you copying that part? Yes, ma'am. Shall we move to the next page?
Tarun? Hey, Tarun!
Shall we move to the next page?
No, ma'am.
Please, ma'am, can you mute your mobile?
Ma'am.
Okay, right. Yes, ma'am, can you take the screenshot now? And then shall we move to the next page? Yes? Shall we move? Yes. Okay. Page number 21. Write the properties of air that the given experiment suggests. So the first experiment, what they've given there. So within bottle, if you see that one, what are you observing that one?
Me Harry breathe.
What are you observing? Yes, not like that. If you see that one, so they've given two bottles, isn't it? The first one, which one is inside? So if you see, try to blow the balloon. You see here, you try to blow the balloon. So that means if you have force air inside it. So what happened? Balloon can't expand. Reason? Because the bottle is already filled with air inside. So I'll come to the next bottle. So if you see that one, hole where? The bottom. Hole at the bottom. What happened? Once again you, suppose if you try to poke a hole in the bottom, what happened? Some of the air can escape from the bottle. So again blow the balloon up. What happened now? Now balloon can expand. Can you see that one? Balloon can expand because what happened? What did you do that one? Suppose you poked under that one. So from that hole, some of the can escape. So if you blow again, that balloon can expand. What it shows that one? Because now the empty space which one is occupied by the air is replaced by the balloon, isn't it? So what it shows? Balloon occupies space. When you blow up a balloon, it expands because the space in the bottle gets occupied by the air. So that air only poke, suppose if you poke the bottle, the hole has been created, isn't it? Some of the air can escape from that. So that empty space is replaced by the balloon. So it shows air occupy the space. That is the experiment shown there. The next one, shall we go for the next one? Yes. What is the B1? So, what are you observing that? Yes. So we are going to prove that air as weight. How? The inflated balloon. If you see that one, the inflated balloon has air in it. This makes a what happened? Balloon heavier. Other one is what happened? Other one is deflated. Suppose if you see that one, if you see that one, the weight of air in the other balloon pulled one of the beam. It proves that air has weight. The inflated balloon has air filled in it. This makes the balloon heavier. So when one is deflated, that weight of air in the other balloon pulls one end of the beam balance down. So that it shows that one. The next one, C1.
Ma'am, wait.
Yes, I'll wait. Okay, the C1.
Up. Ma'am, please shut up.
Go up, ma'am. I will take a screenshot and write in my home, ma'am.
Yes, Kana, yes, Kana. Yes, Kana. That third one, C1, air is required for burning. We know that one, isn't it? So what is the uses of air? Fire needs air to burn, isn't it? So air is required for burning. When the burning candle was covered with the glass, I think so most of you did, I saw that one. Really very good. So what happened as soon as you covered with the glass, it stopped burning, isn't it? You observed that. Why? The oxygen inside gas. Hmm? So
And what is the proof, ma'am?
air is required for burning. When the burning candle was, please children, can you mute your mobile? Please, ma, can you mute your mobile?
Hello, man.
Yes, ma. When the burning candle was covered with the gas, it stopped burning. The oxygen inside the glass gets used up by the flame. Sangeeta, ma'am. Please, ma'am, can you check that one? Who's that? Sangeeta,
It is
ma'am.
the voice has been transferred, ma'am. So the ma'am, Charan sir. Charan sir. Hello. Charan sir.
Charan's father. Na.
Kindly check that whether everyone has been muted, ma'am.
Okay, ma'am.
If it is not, give mute all, ma'am.
Yeah, I'll make sure, ma'am.
Please,
Okay, ma'am.
because
Thank you, ma'am.
I can proceed now. Yes, ma'am, please. Because I'm getting echo. Okay, thank you, ma'am.
Anushka is muting herself, unmuting herself.
Okay, now. So what happened there? The oxygen inside the glass gets used up by the flame.
See, ma'am.
So that the candle needs oxygen to burn, isn't it? So what it shows? Air is required for burning. So these are the properties of as seen that one. So this part you know well that you have to do on your own. This one. Okay. Now turn the page number. Shahid. Shahid, thereafter I never call you. If you keep again as the request, only I'll send you out.
Okay, place the
gas in the downward direction. The air outside the
Please, ma, can you mute your mobile? The next one. 22. Page number 22.
21. The fourth one, ma'am.
Fourth one you have to do, my dear. You have to do that one. You do that one. Based on the pressure. So it shows that one air exerts pressure. Isn't it? Did you do in your home? Did you try, anyone? Did you try? So air exerts pressure means when air force the, what happened? When air form the tumbler is sucked in, what will happen? What happened? Is there anyone did you do this experiment?
It hold, ma'am.
Children, I'm asking, did you? Yes, ma. So what it shows? Who did this one?
Ma'am, I did, ma'am. I did,
Because of the
ma'am.
pressure. Yes, Kana, can you explain that one? How did you do that one?
பண்ண முடியுமா?
Who did that one?
To occupy the space. Yeah, the air
Very good.
occupied the space. So we can't able to breathe.
I'm asking the child to say that one.
Ma'am, ask.
Gas வந்து வாயில வச்சு அப்படியே மூடிக்கிறாங்க. அது எப்படி ஒட்டிக்குதுன்னா பிரஷர் ஏர் வந்து அந்த பிரஷரை வாங்கிக்குது.
Yes.
அந்த பாட்டில் அந்த ஏர் வந்து
Correct only. What your mummy says is correct only. But you come to know that one. For what reason that it has been sucked there. Isn't it? So the tumbler is sucked in. So the outside puts pressure on the tumbler and it fitted to your mouth. So that shows that one air is pressure. Try to do again. Okay? Okay, children. Turn the page number 22. Okay. Okay, my mobile. The fourth one, state true or false for the following statements. The first one we have seen that one. That is a property. Does the air has this property? Air has a specific smell and color? No. We know that one, isn't it? When we get the bad smell, so if it is a dust and otherwise smell, that moment only we used to get the smell of air. That is because of the germs inside that one. So that is not a property of air, isn't it? So air has a specific smell and color. No, false. Air doesn't have any specific smell and color. We can feel only that one. Then the B1, all humans. B1, all humans inhale carbon dioxide and exhale oxygen. Isn't it? No, because we used to take or inhale oxygen and exhale carbon dioxide. Is that correct? Yes. So the statement which one they've given as false. Which one they've given as false. So C1, plants use carbon dioxide only in the presence of sunlight. Do you know that when they use, that means plants use carbon dioxide? When they use that carbon dioxide, only prepare their own food. The daytime only plants use carbon dioxide for prepare their own food in the presence of sunlight. Got it? But during night time or dark time, that we used to know that one because they used to get oxygen, the exhale carbon dioxide. That's why during the night time we never stay under the trees or nearby the plants. We used to exhale carbon dioxide, they will intake oxygen. So there are two sort of action in the plant. During daytime, they used to inhale carbon dioxide to prepare their own food. We know that one. Plants are prepare their own food. We are getting from that only. We are not food makers, but plants are food makers. So during that time, they used to get the carbon dioxide in the presence of sunlight. That means in the daytime. So the statement which one they've given is true. Plants use carbon dioxide only in the daytime. During at night, they used to take oxygen, exhale carbon dioxide. That is the respiration time. Next, D1, plants breathe in carbon dioxide during the day. So quite opposite they've given. Is this correct? During daytime, they are asking. No, during plants breathe in carbon dioxide during the day. Is this correct or wrong? Can you anyone? Can you anyone? Plants breathe in carbon dioxide during the day.
False.
Because during the day,
False.
false. Because breathing in the same
False, ma'am.
respiration. Yes, ma, for the respiration, they used to take the oxygen only. Got it? To prepare their own food only during the photosynthesis. That is carbon dioxide only they used to take in the daytime. So that is the false one. Even air contains dust particles and water vapor. You know the components of air? What are the components of air? Oxygen, carbon dioxide, water vapor, and dust particles. So the statement which one they've given. Got it? Next, what we are going to see? Uses of air. What are the uses of air? So we know that one all things need air to breathe, isn't it? All living things need air to breathe. Then fire needs air to burn. Fire needs air to burn. The first one, fire needs air to burn. Then living things need air to breathe.
Plants
Then
need carbon
plants
dioxide,
use
ma'am, to
yes,
prepare their
Kanna?
food.
Yes, ma'am. For
Plants need
only.
carbon dioxide for make their food, ma'am.
Yes, Kanna. Yes. That's why, because during daytime they used to inhale carbon dioxide in the presence of sunlight. The presence of sunlight only they can prepare their own food. Got it? So during daytime they need air, water, as well as sunlight to prepare their own food. So air, from the air they used to take carbon dioxide. Then what we uses of another uses of that one. So plants use air to make their food. Plants use air to make their food. Then, so all sailing needs air to move, isn't it? Tires are filled with air. So based on that only we can ride a car or bike. Everything based on the filled tire only. So tires are filled with air. Sailing boat. That means sailboat needs air to move. So these things are uses of air. Got it? Next page, that part you have to do, children. So the grid, the alphabet grid I've given, you have to find the, what are the based on that we have learned in this chapter. So you have to find and get that one. Shall we go for where? Computer recap, what we have learned there so far, because we are going to start our online test computer only. Shall we see now? Shall we recap? Yes. So today we are going to write hardware and software only. So that first lesson only we are going to write online test. So shall we get short recap? So what are the parts of the computer? Hardware as well as software. We have seen that one. So hardware content, input device, output device, then processing device, storage device. Software contains what and all the system software, application software. Then what we have seen, we know that one hardware What is the physical part of a computer system are known as the computer hardware. So you can physically touch and feel the computer hardware, isn't it? So for example, you have seen there monitor, keyboard, mouse, printer and speaker. Then types of hardware components. What and all they? Input devices, storage devices, processing devices, output devices. These are come under the hardware components. What are they? Input devices, storage devices, processing devices and output devices. Then what we have seen there, what are the input devices? So input devices are used to feed information into the computer so that it can be processed. So some of the important input devices are keyboard, web camera, scanner, mouse, joystick, microphone. Then processing device. So I used to say that one processing device that I used to call a CPU, that is the brain of that computer, isn't it? So it only processes the information given by the input devices and sends the results to the output devices. That should be transferred from here to there, from input to output. So that is the processing device function. Then what are the output devices? So output devices, the result of the information processed by the computer are displayed using output devices, which one they are getting from the input devices. Some important output devices are monitor, printer, speakers, and headphones. Now we are seeing through our which one display. So that is a output device only. By used on that only that we can see our printing words there. Then monitor, isn't it? Some of you are using the laptop, then computer as well as mobile. So based on seeing no, so that is based on that output device only. The monitor looks like a TV screen. It shows whatever you type on the keyboard or draw with the mouse. So it is also known as the visual display unit. That is the use of the monitor. Then printer. What we have seen about a printer prints the results of your work on a sheet of paper. Within a paper that we can see what and all that you used to type. So we can use this is called as a printout. This is called as a printout, which one used to read out. Then speaker. What is the speakers? The speakers are the output devices that help you to listen to the various sounds processed by the computer. So you can listen to songs and speeches stored in the computer with the help of speakers. Then headphones. So headphones, you can listen to music or any other sound from a computer with help of headphones without disturbing others. That part is much more important, without others. Then storage devices. So what is the meaning of the storage devices? So far we have seen input device, output device. Now we are seeing about the storage devices. The data is entered into the computer using an input device, isn't it? Then this data is processed by the CPU, central processing unit. Then is the data is entered into the computer using an input device. This data is processed by the CPU, central processing unit. The processed information has to be stored in the computer. Then that storage device are used to store the processed data in a computer. They help you to store and work done on a computer permanently. Whenever you need, you can open and see that one. That should be permanently in your computer. So that is the usage of storage devices. Okay. Some important storage devices are hard disk, DVD, CD, then memory card, pen drive. So far we have seen what are these some important storage devices? Hard disk, DVD, then CD, memory card and pen drive. Then what you have seen? Compact disk. That means the storage device. So what is that compactors? CD. CD are used to store data so that it may be retrieved later. So you can again get back later, isn't it? Yes. So hard disk. So what is hard disk? It is the installed instantly. Wait, that one in a computer, isn't it? So hard disk are, that is a more storage device permanently built up in your computer only. Next one, pen drive. Pen drive are an easy way to store and transfer information between computers. It is a portable storage device, easy to take, so easy to carry. So it is a portable storage device. Memory card. So memory card is a storage media that is used to store videos or other data in electronic devices such as digital cameras, cell phones. So based on that only, what that we are sending as a homework, even though we are sending photos, everything you can store in your memory card only. So which one is inside our cell phone as well as digital camera, we can use that one. Then it can vary in the amount of storage space based on the type of memory card. So that will be depends upon the storage level only. So far you have seen about input device, output devices, then processing device, storage devices. Now you are ready to write our online test. Is there any doubt in that one? Are you clear, children? Let me know that one. Shall we ready to write? Yes? Yes, ma'am.
Yes, ma'am. 1 minute. I'll paste it, ma'am.
Yes, ma'am. Yes, ma'am. Get your link now. Ma'am, did you send the link? Shall we?
Yes, ma'am. Yes, ma'am. But the letters are not seen, ma'am.
Okay. In my. Can you see now,
See.
ma'am?
Yes, ma'am.
Can you
Now it
see
is
now?
seen, ma'am. Yes, yes, ma'am.
Okay. Okay, ma'am. Okay, children, get ready. Get. Okay, did you open now? Okay, as it is, you have to start with your name. Okay. Example of input device. So they are asking which one is the correct one. So they've given the pictures also easy to know. So which one is the correct option? Mouse or CD? Which one is the input device? Okay, next one. Identify the correct answer by observing the given figure. What it is? Is this hardware or software? What it is? You can already have shown this. Easy to give the answer for that. Then the next one. Now only I shown. So the given picture is a dash device. You should know a dash device they are asking. So the options are given below. Whether it is output device or storage device. Yes. The next one. Dash is used to do video chatting on the internet.
Ma'am,
Yes, Kana.
output device or storage device, ma'am?
You're asking me, you're writing online test. Which one you're asking, ma? This one,
Yes.
pen drive. Now only I've shown, no? Example of what? What we have seen at last now. What you have recollect?
Output device, ma'am.
When that you need, you can again get back. I said no. So what may be that one?
Storage.
Storage device, ma'am.
Yes, next one. Next one. CPU is the short form for what? I used to recollect that part only. Okay. Is it central processing unit or computer power unit? Then next one, example of output device. So they've given the two images, which one that is correct one. They are asking about only example of output device. Which one is the first one they've given? Input device. They're based on that only. They are asking that second one, which one is the correct option? Which is the correct option for the output device?
Ma'am.
Yes, Kanna. Yes, ma.
Ma'am, can you link in the WhatsApp group?
Sure. I'll send it. Okay, the next one. Identify the system software. Which is system software they are asking? Which was the correct one? System software. The next one. Dash is an example of application software. So you know that one, there are two software. System software, application software. So they are asking which one is the correct for the system software. Talking about the application software. So which is the correct one for the application software? Operating system or word cloud, where we can do our work. So they are asking about the application software as well as system software. The second one, which is the correct example, operating system or
Link, mommy.
which section, Maya?
3C.
DC. Are you C section or in D section?
3C, ma'am.
Oh my.
Ma'am, I've
So
placed
what's
it
the
1 second link, ma'am. Ask him to do it, ma'am.
Okay, ma'am, will send you again. Please, can you get that link again? Okay, the next one. A storage device. Dash is the storage device they are asking. The options are given below. Pen drive or scanner. Dash is the storage device, pen drive or scanner. The next one. Dash is used to convert a picture or text into the digital format. Pen drive or scanner. So which one's used to convert a picture, which one you are giving as an input, so that are text into the digital format. So which that means they've given two options, pen drive or scanner. Which is the correct one? Choose that one. I think so it is most easiest one they've given, isn't it? I think so you have to everyone get full mark on in this, right?
Send the link again, ma'am.
Okay, ma'am. Sangeeta ma'am, please can you post that one? Sangeeta ma'am. Sangeeta ma'am.
waiting it.
Yes, ma'am. Wait, ma'am.
Excuse me, ma'am. Excuse me,
Yes,
ma'am.
ma'am. So, ma'am has sent that one. Yes, ma'am. Yes, ma'am.
Taste it. Yes, ma'am. I've done it, ma'am.
Huh?
Yes, ma'am. Children, please take that one. Yes, ma'am. Tell me. Tell me, Hasini. Sri Hasini.
You will post the link in the WhatsApp, ma'am.
Yes, ma'am. No, no. Now, ma'am has given here itself. Did you complete the online test now? Did you submit? Yes, very good. Those are
Complete the online test, ma'am.
very good, Subhashri. Very good. 9 out of 10. Very good. Good mark, Andy. Very good, Pratisha. Very missed it. About your EVS, did you do your classwork, children? Did you complete your classworks? EVS classwork? Then computer classwork? Did you complete, children? So from next week onwards, we are going to check your classworks through our where? Session. So better you have to keep your classwork nearby. So I'll ask you, you have to unmute and show your classworks as well as classwork. Then homework also we would like to check. Get ready, children. Will you show that
Ma'am,
one?
I completed, ma'am.
Which one you completed? Both. EVs as well as computer.
Yes, ma'am.
Is it?
Yes, ma'am.
Yes, Kanna. Are you having with you now? Sabarish?
Yes, ma'am.
Yes. Okay, time up, but early. But if there is a time, there is a chance to see you, children. Okay, from next class onwards, we would like to check your classwork. Okay, get ready, children. Thank you. Jai Gurudev.
Thank you, ma'am. Thank you, ma'am. Thank you, ma'am.